Good morning students. Today we discussed about limitation of e-commerce. Limitation of e-commerce. E-commerce has a list of advantage. It also has some limitation and disadvantage. However, with passage of time, many of the limitations may disappear. Let us discuss limitation of e-commerce. Resistance to change. Business organization need to change from traditional business in e-commerce, which is very risky for them. People need to get used to paperless and faceless business transaction. Initial cost. E-commerce requires significant initial investment in new technology which can change the company's core business process. It also requires investment in hardware and software technology. The staff training is needed to understand the way of business using e-commerce. Security. A privacy concord is e-commerce is security. The data or information traveling on the internet related to the company or an individual should be protected by unauthorized access. Internet provides universal access, but companies should protect their users from malicious or accidental misuse. Privacy. The privacy of the customer's information is a serious issue. Customer have share their personal information on the internet due to fear of misuse. Many times the companies sell their database information to marketing companies are database information to marketing. The hackers also might the information on the internet and misuse the data. Credit and debit card of the customer's detail is very important. Its protection should be provided from hackers, virus, transfer of data and transaction risk. Lack of trust. Sometimes business threats like non-delivery of products, incorrect information of the product, lack of security for payment transaction create dissatisfaction to the customer. Also, returning defective goods purchased online can be difficult issue. Time for delivery of product. In e-commerce, we often buy products that are not available locally, which means the products need to be delivered, which takes time and costs money. The cost of shipping charges is an overhead in case the product is ordered from a distant place. Products like fruits, vegetables and other are not preferred to be purchased online.